Hey everyone, check this out. After this morning's high tide, the ocean is really putting on a show again tonight. Look at these strong waves, they're absolutely mesmerizing. We're right here at PD Waterfront, and it's about 6:30 p.m., just as the sun begins to set. You can really feel the raw power of nature as these waves crash against the shore. It's such a beautiful, almost wild energy, right, Thor? The way the water splashes and glistens, it's just incredible to witness. It's truly a sight where nature's immense power meets incredible beauty, all happening at the same time. This stunning view was captured live from D Wharf Hotel, right here in Port Dickson. What an amazing way to end the day. If you enjoyed this moment of natural beauty, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more breathtaking views, and let me know in the comments if you've ever experienced waves this powerful. Thanks for watching.